Welcome to the project demonstration of battery management system with fire protection and load indication with a slow and ultra fast charging. So these are the features we have added to the existing battery management system. So the extra features we added is cooling with the fire protection system and load measurements in terms of milliamps, and also fast charging and slow charging. These are the three features extra we added to the existing BMS system. So in this one, these two relays are used to charge a battery in fast and slow charging, and the next three relays are used to, so two are for fast and slow, and these three relays are used to charge a respective battery pack. So here using 12 volt 1 amp each battery pack, and each battery pack consists of 4 volt 1 amp batteries number 3s. So three numbers are in series. So we will get 12 volt 1 amp, 12 volt 1 amp and 12 volt 1 amp. So to that, the power is generating given from this transformer is like, initially when one relay is getting switched on, so it will provide us a 500 milliamps of current given to this battery through the relay 1 and relay 1. For example, if the battery 1 is low charge, then the relay 1 gets switched on, and then battery pack relay 1 gets switched on. So then the 500 milliamps will be current will be given to the battery. But these two relays need to be selected from these two switches. So here one more protection is there. If the battery's temperature is getting heat up or heavy temperature was detected with help of this DS18B20 sensor, temperature sensor, then the system will switch off these fast charging relays as well as charging relays in order to protect the batteries as well as total battery management system. So here we have interfaced the three voltage sensors. So this is voltage sensor 1 for battery pack 1, voltage sensor 2 for battery pack 2, voltage sensor 3 for battery pack 3. And this one more small PCB is there. This is the current sensor to measure the load currents directly. So these three sensors interface to the A0, A1, A2 pins, and current sensor at A3 pin, and A4 for this DS18B20 temperature sensor. And the next C2, C3 interface to these two switches, C0, C1 for this two relays, and pin number B2 to B7 for this LCD display, B1 for this fan. Through the transistor board we are going to switch on this fan, and next C4, C5, C6, C7 for these three relays, C5, C6, C7. So based on the low voltage detecting from this voltage sensors, respective relays will get switched on, and parallelly we need to select the mode also. If you want to charge faster manner or slower, this is a slower one, and when you are on the two relays, then the 1 amp current will be given to this 1 amp batteries parallelly, so the battery will get in less time when we select the two relays get switched on. Right, so let us see the demonstration. So let me explain the power flow also. 230 volts AC input to this transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, but we need to provide the DC power supply to the charger battery and to the making battery management system should work. So for that purpose we are making use of this rectifier board, so which has the 4 diodes which will rectify the AC to DC, that to pulsating DC. To remove the pulses, the capacitor need to be used here. So for that we are using the 1000 microfarad capacitor, which will remove the pulses and provide us the 12 volts constant DC. So the 12 volts constant DC is parallelly given to the batteries through these relays, and we need 5 volts power supply as operating voltage of the microcontroller, and LCDC is a 5 volt. So for that purpose we are going to use 7805 voltage regulator, so which will regulate the 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC. So when we provide that, it start reading input from the voltage sensor 3, current sensor, and control buttons, and temperature sensor. These are the inputs. Based on this, the system will control the 3 relays based on the 3 voltage sensors, 2 relays based on the selection switch, and fan through this the BC547 transistor board based on the temperature sensor inputs. So these are the input and output. So we'll show you the demonstration now. So on the power supply, then welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. So you can see that the battery pack 1, 2, 3, and in the starting we can see that 0 milliamps here. So at 0 milliamps nothing, but there is no load corrected. So when I switch on that, we are using the around nearby 20 watts of DC motor here, 12 volt 20 watts. That's why we are getting around of 1.46 amps, that is 1460 milliamps of current. So these are load measurements, and whenever the battery pack 1 voltage is less than the 10 volts, then right, battery pack 1 is low voltage and the respective relay will get switched on. Right, sorry, there is a misconnection now, I rectified that. So now whenever the battery pack 1 voltage is less than the 10 volts, then this particular relay gets switched on. But remember that there is no charging relay got switched on here, so we need to select that whether it is like normal charge, so the relay gets switched on, and one more switch to fast charging one. Now the system is in fast charging mode. So whenever the battery voltage 1 is sufficient, then automatically the relay 1 gets switched off. Right, and these also will be switched off. It's getting restart actually. Yeah, right. So we can select now. Right, if I see that, if I show the battery pack 2 voltage is less than the threshold value, then now it is in fast charging and the relay of battery pack 2 is get switched on. And when it is normal again, only this relay will get switched off. If this also getting switched off, you can see that there is a system restart now. So this relay got switched on, and now when it is normal, it's coming to the normal. So let me increase the temperature also. So when the temperature increases, then this fast charging system also will get switched off. You can see the temperature. So when the temperature crosses the threshold value of, it just restarts. Right. So we can see the fan got switched on now. And when it is normal temperature again, so when it is below 40 degrees centigrade, then automatically the fans will get switched off. As you can see that the fast charging also will get switched off. Coming to the normal, again we need to set the charging mode. Right. So the fan got switched off, sorry, because of the temperature is normal. So in this manner we have added the protection system along with load measuring and fast and slow charging to the existing BMS.